These are the 1 p.m. conditions for the Des Moines area. At the Des Moines Airport, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 29 degrees Fahrenheit, or -2 degrees Celsius, the dew point 28, and the relative humidity 96%. The wind was northeast at 8 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 21. The pressure was 29.87 inches and falling. Looking around the area, across central Iowa, temperatures were between 27 and 30 degrees. Snow was falling at Boone, Ankeny, and Perry. At Newton, fog was reported. At Ames, snow and fog were reported. At Marshalltown, snow and fog were reported. Here are some conditions elsewhere in Iowa. At Lamoni, snow was falling with a temperature of 32. At Spencer, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 23. At Mason City, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 25. At Waterloo, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 27. At the Quad Cities, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 29. At Ottumwa, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 32. At Omaha Council Bluffs, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 26. At Sioux City, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 25. Now for a few weather conditions around the region. At Kansas City, it was cloudy. The temperature was 41 degrees. At Grand Island, blowing snow was reported. The temperature was 27 degrees. Winds were gusting to 39. The wind chill was 11. At Sioux Falls, snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 21 degrees. The wind chill was 7. At Minneapolis-St. Paul, light snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile. The temperature was 23 degrees. Winds were gusting to 29. The wind chill was 11. Once again at 1 p.m., in Des Moines, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 29 degrees Fahrenheit, -2 degrees Celsius. The wind chill was 21. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Des Moines and surrounding locations. Rest of today, snow. Snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Near steady temperature around 30. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, snow until midnight. Patchy blowing snow. Additional snow accumulation around an inch. Total snow accumulation 2 to 4 inches. Cooler with lows around 14. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Wind chill values as low as 1 below. Sunday, partly sunny. Cooler with highs around 19. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the morning. Wind chill values as low as 2 below. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Colder with lows around 4 above. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming east after midnight. Monday, cloudy. A chance of snow in the morning, then snow likely in the afternoon. Light snow accumulation possible. Highs in the lower 20s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of snow 60%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Cold with lows around 5 above. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-20s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows around 15. Temperature rising into the lower 20s after midnight. Wind chill values as low as 5 above. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 20s. Temperature falling into the lower 20s in the afternoon. Chance of snow 20%. Wind chill values as low as 5 above. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Much colder with lows 5 below to 0. Wind chill values as low as 15 below. Thursday, mostly sunny. Cooler with highs around 20. Wind chill values as low as 15 below in the morning. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows around 10 above. Temperature rising to around 20 after midnight. Wind chill values as low as 0. Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with highs in the lower 30s. Wind chill values as low as 10 above in the morning. Again, the forecast for Des Moines and surrounding locations for the rest of today: snow. Snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Near steady temperature around 30. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of snow near 100%. This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. This is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Sunday. Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches. Total accumulations between 8 and 13 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour at times. The areas affected include much of Iowa. When, until 6 a.m. Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. Additional details: increasing winds late today into tonight will cause blowing and drifting of snow and prolonged travel. The following impacts are expected even after falling snow has ended. Travel conditions may not improve until Sunday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest travel conditions, check the Iowa 511 app, www.511ia.org, or dial 511. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order. These are the 1 p.m. conditions for the Des Moines